Tara Tesher from Temp-tations has just something to add to your collection. Wonderful to have you back in our Halloween decor show.
Are you kidding?
Nice to see you. Oh, I love it. Hey, this is fantastic. And we've got lots of characters. In fact, one of them is brand new.
Brand new.
This guy.
You haven't seen the vampire yet. Here he is.
There he
Look
is.
at him
Does he have a
making
name
his
yet?
debut. It's still up for grabs, but we're leaning towards Vincent. When he's in trouble, Vinny, you know, every day.
Vinny the vampire.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Just saying, but look how adorable. All of these are sculptural, David. All of them are hand painted. They all have that great gasket. So again, it's going to keep the freshness in while you're using it. We put a little bath salts in this one, actually. How cute is
how
that?
nice.
I know, so many different things you can use it for.
And use it for dog treats, use it for cat treats,
Sure.
for kibble,
Tea,
for
whatever you
all
want to
those
do,
things, right?
Yes, we'll show you a million
So
ideas.
it all comes together for you. Now I have choices for you. This is Esmeralda the cat.
So if you love the black cat, and I love how we have the buffetti coming all the way around the side there, so cute.
This is Frankie.
That's little Frankie.
So cute. Vampire.
This is our vampire.
Brand new today.
Look at his little trick-or-treating bag down here with his little purple boots and bow tie.
Looks like Eddie Munster. Then we've got Mummy.
Little mummy.
Little Mummy. And then we've got it for you in the Scarecrow.
That should be it. Look at the scarecrow here. I love the little face there. I love, again, that he's holding the little pumpkin. And then here we just actually put some tea bags in here. These could be your pods, if for your Keurig, so many different things. And of course, cookies. All your Cheryl's cookies belong in here.
Are we also talking about holiday?
Oh, yes, I'm
mentioning.
sorry. You're right.
All right, so I have this in Elf. This one is gingerbread, snowman, and tree.
Look how pretty that Christmas tree is.
Oh, so we've got
So cute.
all the holidays that you're after. These little bowls are separate purchases?
Yeah, the set of 2 candy dishes, they're also available as well, yes.
With some similar characters.
Yeah, exactly, and some stacked pumpkins also, but I love, again, they're little candy dishes so you can put whatever you want inside here. I even like putting it by the sink and like putting your jewelry in there when you're washing the dishes and things like that.
I'm thinking candy corn.
Oh, I love that.
In there.
Why not? I love that you'll
corn.
always find a food. You'll always find something for the food.
I'll always find the food.
Yes, of course.
It won't be very far away. These are very, very popular. In fact, now we've taken orders for 800 of these are out the door. Many of you are picking up your cookie jar because you collect them.
Yes.
Maybe you're looking to decorate your kitchen countertop. Maybe you're looking to serve Halloween candy out of these.
That's cute.
That could be really nice.
Yeah, that's great.
Put your cat or dog treats inside here. All that would work out really nicely. And then, of course, if you've got some Halloween cookies, all the better, right?
Yeah, exactly. Look at this. So once inside here, we just put some candies. This, of course, can be your cookies. Maybe you always have a tradition where you love to make your cookies. I know so many people really love their cookie jars for a lot of different reasons, a lot of different expressions, and I love what you were saying, stacking them.
Let me give one update. Aaron, you said one is last call? The vampire.
No way.
I have 25 left in Vinny the vampire.
Okay, it's Vinny now. David called it.
All right.
It's Vinny.
Vinny.
When he's in trouble, it's Vincent. Today, it's Vinny.
Yeah, if I ever got, my middle name is Alexander. If I ever got David Alexander, I know I was in trouble.
Mine's Tara Elizabeth, and she still does it today.
If I got David Alexander Venable again in this house,
oh, then you better
toast.
Go the other way.
Toast. Life was over as I knew it. This is really fantastic. Don't miss out on your opportunity. Oh, Vinny the vampire is gone.
He has flown out of here.
There we go.
No one liked that joke. It was funny.
Well, I guess vampires fly because they're like bats, right?
Yeah.
I think.
Maybe we should study up on this.
Maybe. You think?
I think so.
Maybe just a little.
And then look at our sweet little scarecrow. So he was the newest member till we got Vinny.
You know what I love
Vinny
about your characters? They're friendly.
They're all friendly.
They're not spooky, scary.
No, not at all. I don't like spooky, scary.
Yeah, I'm not
I can't
a big
even
fan
watch
of spooky,
scary
scary.
movies.
Yeah,
No
me
way.
neither.
But
Me
I love
neither.
all the detail. And what I love about Stoneware, David, is you can get all of that beautiful detail. They're all individually hand painted. They all have that great silicone seal that's going to keep the freshness in and the air out. And then it's 360 degrees of all individual hand painting details, as well as those special touches, like you were just saying, that are so known with Temp-tations.
Now, each one of these are 11 inches tall, yes?
Yeah. Yes.
Ish.
Nope, they're 11 inches tall, exactly. Here we actually put some snack bars in here if you wanted to. So again, all different reasons and ways you can use it. Look at little Mommy. I love the little necklace here, her little eyelashes over here to the side.
Those big eyes.
Her little lips. Yep, her big green eyes. Better to see
Which
you
one?
with.
Oh, Scarecrow just sold out.
No way.
Does
Got
the
him?
Scarecrow have a name yet?
Yeah, I can't remember.
Okay.
Yeah. What's the Scarecrow's name? No, it's not.
Sam the Scarecrow.
No, someone will remind me. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm.
What's the Scarecrow's name?
I can't remember.
Can't remember. She only has about 7,000 items.
Aaron goes, Haley? I got a Sam? I mean, no. No.
How about,
I can't for the life of me remember. Oh, but it's sold out, so.
It's gone. So, out of sight,
I
out
do
of
remember
mind.
Esmeralda. We had a cat growing up. It was my mom's cat. It was named Cleo. Ooh, it was mean.
Mean cat?
Mean. I mean, I loved it, but I had a very good fear of Cleo.
Like, you knew what you could get away with and what you couldn't.
Which was very little.
Which was very little.
Very little, yes.
Included in what you touch.
Did you ever see the meme that said, if a cat could text, they wouldn't text you back?
Right.
It's exactly true.
Right.
It's exactly true. All right, sorry. I'm going to stay focused.
All
so
right,
little mommy, little Frankie.
Kitty cat is last call? All right, the Esmeralda the cat is last call.
Okay.
A lot of cat lovers
Oof.
watching.
Well,
Be careful.
I know. I love, actually, we grew up with cats. Like I said, many cats.
We didn't grow up with cats. Not that I dislike them.
Yeah.
It's just that we were a dog family.
Yeah, we were not.
The first boxer I can remember that we had as a
You
pet.
had boxers? Why do I not know
Boxers.
this?
And her name was Sparkle.
Aww. See?
She was a sweetie.
We had cats growing up, and now I have 4 dogs. So, you know, feels
There you are.
about right.
There you are.
Feels about right.
All right, Frankie, Mummy, and how are we on cat? Oh, gone.
Oh. So, and then there were 2. By the way, these were our original trick-or-treaters. So I love that we still have Little Mummy and Little Frankie. And we have the cute little candy dishes that coordinate back to them. And by the way, if you missed our, durable. If you missed our little guy, we still have him in our candy dishes.
Any chance he's going to be back this year?
Oh, no. No.
So we have Frankie and we have Mummy left. How many total gone now, Aaron? 2,200 are gone.
Thank you, everybody.
We do have
It's
all
so
4
cute.
of the Christmas
Yes,
motifs.
we do. And the elf is new this year.
And the elf is new?
Yes.
Okay. So coming up later, you're going to be talking about the fiber optic candles.
I am.
Set of 2,
Yes.
and they're already popular.
They are?
I bought